I have here the Tylt ENERGI 5K Plus 5200 milliamp hour battery pack in blue and black. Back of the box, front. Now unbox it. Show you what's inside. Got this side. Comes with a micro USB cable to charge the battery pack. Warranty information. Satisfaction card. And an instruction manual. Here's the battery pack itself. Put the cables in so I can do a size comparison. I'll get back to that in a second. Size comparison to my hand. It's pretty small. Very flat though, and I like that. On this side you have a power button to see how much power is left. This battery pack is fully charged because it has a green LED. You have a blue stripe on both sides. Looks very nice. You have a black, non-glossy finish. It does not attract fingerprints, which I like. On this side you have a USB port with a max output of 1 amp. And a micro USB port to charge the battery pack at 1 amp as well. Now to the cables. It has a built-in Apple Certified lightning cable, which has a max output of 1 amp. And it has a built-in micro USB cable to charge your devices at 1 amp as well. I'll now show you it charging my iPhone 5 using the built-in lightning cable. Plug it in, and it started charging. You may have to press the power button to start charging. I'll show you that no errors came up. Plug it in. And no error came up. This cable is Apple Certified. It's a very nice battery pack. It works very well. I like that it has built-in cables and a USB port to charge devices. Built-in lightning cable works very well, and that's the main feature that I like about this battery pack. It's a very nice battery pack. I like it a lot. I recommend it. Works very well. This review was done by Zachary, and his battery pack a 5-star rating.